What's up, guys? So I am back for an update on this Ford Bronco build I'm working on currently, and this thing is taking a long time. So and I haven't done an update video in a while because this thing is just on my mind and I just want to get it done. But I'm at the final few stages where it's about done, like literally less than 5 parts to be put on. So this is where she's at. I was gonna do an update video with the body off, but that's fine. So, but I'll put some pictures on the screen for you guys so you guys can see what the chassis looks like. So I got the interior in obviously in the chassis, and this thing is looking so freaking cool. I can't believe it. The doors on, they're nice fit, very nice fit. Just I didn't really sand enough, so there's some imperfections in here, but that's quite alright. That's fine. This is my first Blanco. I'm obviously gonna do this again. I'm obviously gonna do these doors again. So it's my first time, and this is my first major build, like cutting out stuff and putting on body parts. So I gotta give me credit. I actually did pretty good. I thought it was going to come out a lot worse than that, but I'm actually really surprised that actually turned out a lot better than I thought. So, but other than that, that's just so cool. My first major project. But other than that, the kit is going together very well. This is so cool. So the interior is it's just a bunch of different colors. The seats are semi-gloss. Dash is body color. Top is flat. The floor is flocked. And the back part, you can't really see. Back part, I did aluminum, like the floor and stuff. And the side panels, right here, are body color. And the roof, or the roll cage, is aluminum. So that's just a bunch of body parts, a bunch of colors in there. I still gotta put the fire extinguisher in there. I still gotta paint the end aluminum or silver, so that'll be good. The engine is the Ford engine blue. I might actually go lighter. I'm not sure if Ford engine blue is darker than that, but I went lighter. It's like a baby blue, but I thought it was pretty cool. I painted the glow the same color as the body because I didn't want too much chrome on this. Like this guy isn't like chrome, so I shipped most of the chrome. Those are wheels from. Oh, I'll explain it on the final, but they are from different kits. The finals will be here probably tomorrow. But I think I put the license plate on and the Ford emblems on. Like I said, I'm going to replace the spare wheel because the spare wheel, well, the thing is too small because I've got these big hunky slicks on here, or slicks, big hunky tires on there. So I'm going to put a gas tank where that was. I'll put it on there, and it should hang on the back. So that's going to look pretty cool. But other than that, that's so cool. These bumpers are pretty neat. They actually just slide onto the chassis like so. They actually just like slide on each end of the chassis. Show you. They'll stay. Pretty cool. There's the back. That's pretty neat. Why is my camera not focusing? Come on. Wow, my camera does not like this apparently. There we go. Okay, so yeah, there we go. There's the back bumper. And the front bumper, I am going to go with Texas license plates because this thing looks like a Texas vehicle. So I looked up Texas license plates, or Texas, make sure to use front license plates, and they do. So I found a spare tire, I found a license plate bracket. I just put it on the bumper because, you know, I want this thing to be legal. So I'm like, front bumper is exactly the same. It just literally just slides in, just stays. I'm obviously going to glue it, but that's just pretty cool. But yep, that's where I'm at so far, and it's fucking very cool. So I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts to put on, plus the hood. The hood's right here. I'm gonna paint the back. I'm gonna paint this part black, so that's where I mounted it to paint it. But this is black, so had that yet to do. But other than that, the final should be out tomorrow, and I'm gonna put out votes. I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna vote for the final, but I do have an Unbox Monday on the Mercedes AMG GT, but I can save it for next Monday. So there's a vote. Do you want the final of this Blanco tomorrow or the Unbox Monday? Because I like to post one video a day. At least try to, just so I'm not overwhelmed of the comments on each video. So take your vote. I'm pretty sure most of you will vote for the final. I would too. And I save Unbox Monday for next week. But other than that, this is how she at, and the final will be here very shortly. So until next time, guys, I'll talk to you guys really soon. Bye for now.